discussing about our SEO audit check of our website, the tools that we can use to check the performance and the height-wise of our website in terms of the so we'll be able to know what things we need to do to make our website look better, to make our website perform well, to make our website to be ranked more. So it's not really designing website and working on the SEO. So we still need to do things, to checkmate things, to make sure that we are not lacking. Okay, so that when you're gonna be ranked, you know that you are being ranked higher. So without waste of time, I have got 3 links here for you. SE Optimer, okay, SEO Optimer, SEO Site Checkup, and www.siteanalyzer.com. So we're gonna be talking on 2 here, this one and this one, okay? To show you what I mean. So this is your SEO Optimer. You can see here, website review and SEO audit tool is entirely free of charge. So it's always good when you look out for things that are a bit cheaper. Not everything you make a payment. So these ones I have got for you here. At least you'll be able to use it to analyze and check, you know, for your SEO, okay, of any page. So let's put our domain name here and see. Let me use my own here to see how it's working, okay, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's put my, okay, so this is my website here. I wanted to analyze it. I wanted to see what are lacking in my website, okay. So if there's something for me to be improved, so I'm gonna work on it. So it's searching, it's working on my website, okay, the SEO aspect, to make sure that I'm on right position from my website. You see here, 74%. It brought up my website here, okay. So I recommend you to have this. If you don't have one, try to make sure that you analyze your website, okay. You can see here it has finished here. Like I told you, this thing here is continual improvement, okay. You can see you have 17 improvements recommended, okay. So I have 17 improvements. So with this improvement here, I've made this thing because of the trend, just for you to see what I mean. It's still okay, but I can still do more, okay. That's what I'm trying to say here. You can see social media here. I disconnected it for now, just for you to see what I mean. You can see here, I have not done anything on social media, so that is why it's telling me no, nothing on social media, okay. For security wise, very good. Usability of words, okay. SEO, you can see from here to here, SEO, I've not even finished ranking it, okay, because I have little backlinks, okay. So this is the performance. You can see performance here, mobile and this. So here you can see social media here, no, 0, okay. You go down here, your SEO could be better. Your page has some level of optimization, but could be improved further, okay. So that's what's telling you. So I can improve this further, okay. If I want to go further, I can improve it further, and I know the area I want to do if I'm working on this, okay. So you can see here, title tag, you have a little tag of optimal length, okay, which is correct, which is good, okay. You can see here, which is correct. Meta description, that's okay. But the content, your page is making good use of header tags, okay. You can see here, HTML header tags are important way of signaling to search engine that important content topics of your page and subsequently the keyword should be ranked, okay. You see, that is why, you see, my header 1, so it's telling search engine I have important content that it should rank mine, okay. So I forgot on my home page I have got header 1 and header 2 14. Okay, so if I can show the details if you want here. Keyword consistency. So I told you these are the things that matter for here. Your page main keywords are distributed well across the important HTML tags. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you. You can see here WordPress. I've used it here correctly. Okay, and in a consistent manner. The training, the same applicable. Okay, so these are the ones I'm not using here more. Website. Okay, you can see. But these are things I'm using and this I'm doing. So you can see here. So amount of content, good. Okay, so image or attributes, these are things I will do more here. We found 13 images on your page and 6 of them are missing the attribute. Okay, so I need to improve on here more. I know why, because I was editing, maybe use wrong images without putting the attribute. Okay, so you can show the text here. So that's what it's telling you here. So you can see here backlinks external. I'm using most domain authority. Okay, so backlinks here, I can work on my backlinks here, which I have not done. I did only few of them. Okay, so I can have more backlinks here to support what I'm doing. So this is what I'm telling you here. Okay, so on page link structure, you can see broken links, no. Okay, friendly URLs, so SM sitemaps. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, usability. So you can see my website can be viewed on both small screen and large screen. Okay, okay, viewport. Okay, so this is what is trying to let you know here. Page speed. Okay, so here also slow because I have not finished working on the image. Okay, so if I do everything here, you can see it will go more than this. So I'm using this to show you what it means. Page size info, because of my RS Mosh, so it has made my distance to move fast a bit. Okay, okay, your page file size is reasonably low, which is good for page load. So this is why it's loading fast now. Okay, so but I'm gonna work on this. Okay, it is working, but I could do it better than this. Okay, so this is what is trying to let you know here. Okay, JavaScript. Okay, I can optimize image more. So no social image, as I've told you. So this is security, another one that matters. I have got SSL enabled on my website. Okay, so that is why you can see it here. Okay, you see average, Google Safe Browser, Macaf, nothing, RFVG, all these things are working well here. So this is what I mean for you to, you can see here, low priority. Okay, so it's really good, it's not bad. Okay, so this is what I mean by that. So your website could be checked, the headwise of your website. You use this to continue improving on your website, and you could do more on your website. Okay, so let's check again this. You could see, you will also see it's also the same. Allows you to check maybe 4 or 5 in a day. It doesn't allow you to do more than that. Okay, so let's check this one here now. Okay, okay, so wait, it's coming up. Okay, just analyzing it. So I advise you can use the tool to check. Okay, so this one gives you the percentage of total. Okay, it gives you percentage of 85 out of 100. It's a very good one. Okay, so this one here gives you total 85 out of 100. It's very good. So I can improve more on 15 of stuff here, and that 15, okay, should be because of social media and the little backlink, which I need to do more. Okay, so this is this here. Now you can scroll down. Okay, the meta title, the same applicable to the first one I showed you. You could see here, I like this one because it tells you exactly what it means. You could see here, meta title, everything is good here. You can see here. So there's likely no optimal keyword density. Okay, I'm most common keyword text. Okay, so I'm okay here. Keyword included in title. Okay, you can see here. WordPress cloud, keyword cloud. Okay, okay. You see, Aberdeen, adding advantages, application, asterisk available background, Birmingham blog. Okay, okay. Choosing clean colors, consulting content. Okay, so you can see here what it's talking about here. Okay, so if you want more, remember these people are also trying to make sale on this thing. So when they do this, you may like it, get it now, maybe you pay later for them to work on your this thing well. Okay, robot sitemap test, we found 4 sitemap files. Okay, you can see. You see, broken links, no, SEO friendly reader test, correct. Okay, 13 images, 6 of them are missing attribute, the same one applicable to the other one. Okay, so this is really good. Okay, the website appears to have favicon. This is my favicon. Okay, so it's almost similar to the other one. So this is what I mean. Okay, so it's very, very important to check for your website to see how your website is performing, to see if there will be any improvement you do on your website. So this is what it is all about, and I do hope you're gonna have your own checked. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will see you on the